Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about different types of fire and fire extinguishers. There are 6 types of fire such as Class A, combustible material, example paper and wood, etc. Class B, flammable liquid, example paint, petrol, etc. Class C, flammable gases, example butane and methanol, etc. Class D, flammable metals, example lithium and potassium, etc. Electrical equipments, example computers and generators, etc. Class F, deep fat fryers, example cheap pans. Now the type of fire extinguishers: water, water mist, water spray, foam, dry powder standard, dry powder specialist, carbon dioxide and wet chemicals are the different type of fire extinguishers. See the chart, it is very easy to know that what type of extinguisher need to be used for what type of fire. Water type extinguisher is only applicable to class A fire. Foam type extinguisher can applicable to class A as well as class B fire. Dry powder type extinguisher can be used for all the type of fire except class F. Carbon dioxide type fire extinguisher can be used to prevent class B and electrical type of fire. Wet chemical extinguisher can be used to prevent class A and class F type of fire. Dry powder type is more effective among all the extinguisher types. Offices where electrical equipments are there use CO2 type or dry powder type. For class A fire, use water type or foam type. Normally we use water type. Now the type of hazard. There are 3 types of hazards: light or low hazard, flammable liquids are less than 4 liter, ordinary or moderate hazard, flammable liquids 4 to 20 liter, extra or high hazard, flammable liquid may be more than 20 liter. Now see the table for fire extinguisher size and placement for class A hazard as per IS code is given. Minimum rated single extinguisher for low hazard is 1A, for ordinary hazard 1A, for extra hazard it's 2A. Minimum floor area per unit of a meter square is for low hazard it's 280, for ordinary it's 140 and for extra it is 90. Maximum floor area for all the category of hazard is 3430 meter square, and maximum travel distance to extinguisher in meter is 15 for all the type of hazard. Again, see the table for fire extinguisher size and placement for class B hazard as per IS code. Now for light or low hazard, basic minimum extinguisher rating is 8B to 12B. The minimum travel distance to extinguisher in meter is less than 9 for 8B and 15 for 12B. In case of ordinary hazard, minimum rating is 21B and minimum travel distance is 15 meter. For extra or high hazard, minimum rating is 34B and minimum travel distance is 15 meter. Fire extinguisher size and placement for class D hazard. Fire extinguishers or extinguishing agents with class D rating shall be provided for fire involving combustible metals. Fire extinguishers or extinguishing agents or media shall be located not more than 15 meter of travel distance from class D hazard. Fire extinguisher sizes. Minimum acceptable size 2A 10B C. Class A ranges 1A to 40A. Class B ranges 1B to 640B. 1A equals to 3.785 into 1.25 liter, where A equals to 1.25. Similarly, 2A equals to 2 into 1.25 into 3.785 liter. 10B indicates 10 square feet covered area. Other class, no numeric size rating. Minimum capacity should be 6 liter. There are three tests for fire extinguishers. Number 1, hydraulic pressure test. At least 1/3 number should be tested every year. Number 2, discharge test. Should not fail more than 10% of total number. Number 3, gas cartridge test. Loss not more than 10% of original mass. Fire related codes in India: IS 2190-2010, Selection, Installation and Maintenance of First Aid Fire Extinguishers, Code of Practice, 4th Revision. IS 6234-2003, Portable Fire Extinguishers, Water Type, Stored Pressure, Specification. IS 15683-2006, Portable Fire Extinguishers, Performance and Construction, Specification. SP 7/2016, National Building Code, Part 4, Fire and Life Safety. Now, what is ABC type fire extinguisher? ABC type fire extinguishers, they use monoammonium phosphate, which is a dry pale yellow powdered chemical that is able to quickly put out all three classes of fire. Class A for trash, wood and paper, Class B for liquids and gases, Class C for energized electrical sources. Specification of extinguishers. Fire extinguisher consists of a steel, example is T12, cylindrical hull of thickness of about 1.5 to 2 mm. Body shall be painted either with epoxy powder coating or synthetic enamel paint. The shade shall be fire red or post office red, conforming to shades number 536 or 538 of IS 5. Stainless steel body shall be buffed. Water extinguishers used for Class A fire risk. The water has a cooling effect on the fuel, causing it to burn much more slowly until the flames are eventually extinguished. Water spray extinguishers has a spray nozzle rather a jet nozzle, can be covered a wider area. Water mist extinguishers releases microscopic water particles which suffocate the fire. Foam extinguishers used for Class B fire, also for Class A fire, as they are water based. On burning liquids, foaming agent creates a barrier between the flame and the fuel. Dry powder extinguisher, also called ABC extinguisher. Not recommended for use in closed spaces because the powder can be easily inhaled and also the residue is very difficult to clean. Specialist dry powder extinguishers are used for flammable metals. Place near to the source of fire risk. Carbon dioxide dye used for electrical fire risk and are usually the main fire extinguisher type provided in computer server rooms. They also put out Class B fire. Carbon dioxide extinguishers suffocate fires by displacing the oxygen the fire need to burn. All work vehicles should carry 2 kg carbon dioxide extinguisher. Wet chemical extinguishers. This is designed for use on Class F fire involving cooking oils and fats. These extinguishers create a layer of foam on the surface of the burning oil or fat, preventing oxygen from fueling the fire any further. The spray also has a cooling effect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.